Hello. Yeah, Nazar, are you there? Yeah, I just said that we will just continue Drupal half an hour, and after half part of our session, we will just discuss about the our modules, how we create the custom modules. Okay. Now, hello, hello. Now is that better? Hello, Nazar. Okay. Okay, Nazar, just Khushi, you just send me a file. Whatever be the task I just given to you, whether you didn't send me any file, you you didn't complete the task. Okay, actually, I get informed means you have to. I have to give you task daily basis from our core PHP, one kind of revision. Okay, for your interview preparation. We have to do the task daily basis. Whatever you have done, maybe if you can't able to do the task, just send me the code, whatever you have code for that, for the same. Okay. Okay. And Kushi, I just saw your file, it is correct. Okay, one second. Nazar and Kushi, did you see that video? I just share with you a YouTube video for creating a module. Hello, Nazar. Yeah. Okay. Start the session. Did you get interview call for the same Drupal requirement? Not yet. Okay. We will just try to cover up the Drupal basics as early as possible. Okay. So you can give the answer of interview about the Drupal. We will just try to cover up all the things because directly I cannot uh, teach you about how we create the module or any particular module coding. You are not going to understand directly, so you have to know about the basics. Okay, that's why we will just see a custom module, any example. Okay, nothing else. Local host is not one second, just please be online. And also a Drupal project we just implemented to our local staging server. So we will just provide you link of that particular Drupal project, so you can explore that project. You can change also, if you want to change the code, you can change the code also. Okay. Running Drupal. So on. Another actually I get information maybe somebody means Ankit sir just ask you about the core coding and you are not sure, you are not confident about that code, means largest number between three number or addition, some kind of program. They just ask you create a program to add two numbers to Ankit sir. Did you remember Nazar? Did you remember Ankit sir? There is Ankit sir. You know Ankit sir? Ankit sir just ask, yeah, he just asked you to about some coding of PHP means addition of two numbers and maybe the largest number between given three numbers. But you are not confident or you are not sure how to do that. I just get the information means maybe you just forget the core coding, so you have to revise all the thing. Fushi, you have done that code, that task by yourself, or you just take help our previous sessions uh, files or video. Sorry. Okay. You just try to implement whatever I will give you tasks. Try to implement by yourself first. Then take help from our session video or files. If you are not able, even if you are not able to resolve the task, then you can help Google. You can get the help from the Google also. Okay. So let's start Drupal. Okay. What we have done in Drupal, we have created a simple basic page also and one article, demo article. Do you remember demo article? Okay. Add content. Go to add content. You can choose our basic page or article tag. We have all in the by default Drupal just provide only two. You can, yeah, we can add more content type. This is one kind of content type or not. Content type means our basic pages comes under into content type. Articles equals to post, you can say the post. Okay, we can create our own content type, custom content type. So today we are going to discuss about how we create the custom content type, how we add into this list, and after adding, how we create a page. You can say our custom page. सर अभी 7:30 के बाद देखो ना तो सर आएगा पेज पे उसका मशीन मैं सवा वन सेकेंड सवा आठ तक बिजी बिजी आपके साथ स्टेशन में भी गया था ना नहीं पास कौन देगा पेज पे ना अनिल सर दे देंगे अनिल सर दे सकते हैं नीतीश सर दे सकते हैं नहीं तो वो मैं अगर कोई भी एक फ्री हो नीतीश सर को बता देना वो दे देंगे ओके बाय गुड नाइट yeah sorry for inconvenience okay so did you get the requirement today what we have to do we have to create our custom content type okay so this is the basic page whenever we or article whenever we click on the article there is an option to add a article or not one second taking some time yeah there is option to add an article if we just fill up all these things then one new article will be added to our website did you understand the working of these content type article and basic pages Nazar Khushi are you there hello Hello, hello. Yeah, now can you hear me properly? My screen maybe not working. Okay. Did you understand now what is content type in Drupal or not? Nazar, Khushi, what is content type? Whenever we just go to second tab in dashboard, contents. So we can see these two pages, one article, one basic page. Article type, this is the type. Content type, article and basic pages. So this is the content type, means a basic structure of adding any page, any blog, okay, is called content type, a basic structure. By default, there's two content type are there. Whenever we install Drupal, there's by default two content type are there. One is article and second one is basic pages. If you go here, add new content, if you want to add one new page, you can add from here or not. Basic pages, Nazar and Khushi. So these two are the content type, okay. But these two have uh, very small kind of facilities, means it will not fulfill our requirement, our whole requirement. Means let's take one example. I want to just I want to just add a product into our website, okay. So from the basic page also I cannot fulfill my requirement. From the article also I cannot able to fulfill my requirement, because in the product there should be a product title, product description, price, SKU value, image, product image, and so some different discount option, discount coupon option. There's so many things whenever we want to add any product. But in the article also there is a limited fields we can add in the article: title, tags, and body, okay, limited. And we can upload our image also. In the basic page, there's only a title and the body section, nothing else. So Drupal just provide a functionality that we can add our custom content type, okay, custom content type. This is the article and the basic page. These two are the article and the basic page. These two our content type. So we can add our custom content type also. Now you understand what is content type, Nazar and Khushi. Do you understand? Khushi, is there any confusion? What is content type? Article is our content type. Basic page is our content type. Okay. So there may be just take one requirement. Our requirement cannot be fulfilled by article and basic page. So what we have to do? We have to create one new content type. By using that content type, we can add products. Okay. If we create a new content type, then it will appear in this list. Okay. Every time we want to add any content type, that content type will appear here within this list. Okay. Let's see how we create the content type. Just go to structure. Okay. Within the structure, content types. Can you see this link? Content types. I just click on the content types. Now, add content type. We have two, article and basic pages. Yeah, we can edit and we can manage also. But in the as per our requirement we need these two also. Okay, so we have to add one more content type for our product detail, to upload any product for product detail. If we want to add any product into our website, so we can create just here option, click on this option, add content type. So this is the page where you have to give the information about your content type. Okay, what is the name of your content type, what is the description of your content type. Okay, and whenever it adds, anybody adds any content by using this content type, so where it should be displayed within the menu or not, these all information, all setting you have to put into this screen. Did you understand what we are doing? We are just creating a content type. Means you can say the structure of our page. What we are doing? We are creating a structure of our page or not? By using this structure, we will create a pages. You can say, you can just take an example of page. We will create a pages or not? Nazar, Khushi, what we are doing? Hello, can you hear me, Khushi and Nazar? My voice is clear, or is there any or voice is unclear, or this topic? Sorry, Nazar, it's not clear. One second. Now, Nazar, now is that better? Okay. So, what we are doing, Khushi and Nazar, just tell me. Nazar, tell me what we are doing, what we are trying to do. Nazar, just tell me what. Yeah, what we are now, what we are trying to do. What is our requirement? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we are just trying to add one new content type into our website. We have only two content types right now, basic pages and articles. Okay, we can add only basic pages and an article into our website because we have only two content types. So we are trying to add one more content type. What we are doing, we are adding content type. Just concentrate on type. We are adding content type, not any content. Okay, with the help of this content type we will add contents into our website. Now is that clear, Kushi? Hello, Kushi. Yeah. Okay, so by using a structure, after structure add new content type, I get this screen. Okay, now we have to just add name. Okay, product, add. I just gave the name product add. Okay, description, product, content type, and now title field label means if you want to give any title, then you have to give here. Submission title for setting, publishing option are there, published by default, it is published or not, promote to front page or not. Okay, I just check to both these links. About these two links we will just discuss in our further sessions. Display author and date information, just added date and who added that particular content. Comment setting means you need the comment or not. Okay, for product, I don't want to need comment option, such as in the blog there you can comment, but in the product you no need to comment. Okay, allow comment title no, this is preview comment, show comment replies, default comment setting. Okay, 1 second, I just closed it. You can hidden also, hidden and close. So there is no option whenever you add content with the use of this content type, there is no option for end user to comment anything. Okay, so menu setting also there, it will appear on main menu or any other menu. Okay, right now we are just appearing it to main menu. Okay, save content type, I just saved that particular content type. Take time. Okay, so now we have three content type. First is article, second is basic pages, and third one is product ad. Okay, we are just getting this list in the structure. Why? Because we can add it and manage the fields within this content type. You can see this content type also within our contents. Go to contents, if you click on the add content, then here add contents. If you click on add content, then there is now three options. Before there is only two options. Hasn't Kushi? Do you remember? Before there is only two options. Right now there is third option also there for our product ad. Means we have created one content type. Now we can add a content by using this content type. But by default we have a title, body, just two fields in there. Now I need to add some more fields, means title and body or description, or you can say the image option, or some text boxes for price and for anything else. Okay, so how we do that? Let's see. What we have done till now, just create a content type, a basic content type. Now we will just add that particular content type. Go to structure. I'm just going to structure. Okay. Content types. Go to content types and now um, product ad. Okay, we can manage fields. Just click on manage fields. What I have done, just clicked on manage field. Okay, now what is your recommend? I just want to add one more text box and one right now one more image option. Okay, so anybody can select image for that particular product and put the price of that product into text box. So uh, right now, okay, we just add a price text box. Field price text, just select from this drop down field type, means what kind of field you need. So we need a text type or not, because okay, price we can use integer type also. Price would be the numerical value only or not, price will be numerical value. Nazar, text field. Okay, price, where we add price within the text box, so it is by default only one option, text field. Okay, so Just save it. I just save that particular thing. Now time because connectivity. Save field setting. Price has no field setting. Actually, the price text box is added, but there's some setting, some basic setting for that text box, meaning for minimum value, for maximum value, any alternative text, and it is required or not. These settings, we have to provide these settings. Did you understand? We have added one text box into our content type, but we have to some uh, enter we have to enter some settings, some general setting of that for that particular price text box. Okay, just click on save field and settings. So it will lead us to the window. In this window we are what we are doing, we are just setting uh, of that particular price text. What is the label? Yes, price, it is correct. Required field or not? Yeah, it should be required. Required means should be enter a value, a validation, you can say the validation. Okay, if you check on the required, then it is required. Help text means below of that text box there is a text for informative text. What should you have to enter in this text box? So enter price, minimum value 100. This is kind of validation also, or some set general setting. Okay, prefix, if you want to add any prefix, let me assume I just add the dollar symbol. Suffix, I don't need the suffix. Default value, if you want to add any default value, then there is an option, you can add the default value also. Now I don't want to any default value. Number of value only one. Just save setting. So we have successfully add a text box into our content type. Okay, so every time whenever anybody try to add any content by using our content type, he will get that this text box also. Okay, now I just want to add one more field, you can say, for image. How we do that? Image, just the label name, image field, it is automatically created our you can say a name attribute. Okay, image, you have to select a image. There is a type, field type already there, image. There is only one option for image. Okay, so what you have to do, just save it. So image type will be added to our content type, but image type also have some general settings, same as our text box, integer type text box, minimum value, maximum value. So let's see, just click on save. There is a security machine readable name is already in use. You must be unique. Unique name, product image. There should be a unique name. Okay. Field. Actually, here this is the issue. Product image. Now let's try to save it. Time. Okay. So our one image, one browse button is added to our content type, but there is some option. If you want to use default image, you can add here your default image. I don't want any default image. Save fields and settings. I just saved my upload button into my content type. There is some settings for the same upload button also, same as the price text. There is some setting for upload button of an image. So is that required or not? It asks you some settings. Do you want to put this required or not? Yes, image, product image should be required on our form. Help text, just informative, it will just informative text show on whenever anybody asks you, anybody try to add an content by using our content type. Product image, default image, if you want to upload, no, I don't want to add any default image. Allow file extension, you can add more extension here, png, gif, jpg, jpeg. Okay, file directory, no, I do optional subdirectory within the, if you want to add any file directory, we will just discuss about the file directory for images. Let it be the same, it will use the default directory. Minimum maximum pixels value, the resolution, minimum resolution and maximum resolution, if you want to add. Alternative field, if you want to alternative field, or enable title field, no, I just want to alternative field, means when image is not available, then which kind of field, which text will be shown in place of that image. Maximum upload size, let's say I just use 3 MB. Okay, should not be greater than 3 MB. Okay, just save the setting. So what we have done till now, within our we just created a custom content type. Within that content type, we have added two new fields, one text box for product price, one for our product image. Okay, now just click on the save. Khushi, are you there? Just follow the steps, they're simple. This is not hard to understand, simple steps. Okay, I will just repeat that again. Get afraid. Now your setting has been saved. Now let's see what, let's close it. Now I want to add a product into our website. Okay, I want to add a product into our website. Just go to content. Now add content. Okay, and product add, because this content type we have created, earlier we have created a custom content type. Just click on this, we have created for adding any product. So okay, title, body, and we have one price and product image also. Okay, I should give the space there. Okay, we will just do by editing that particular content type. So price and image is there or not, Nazar and Fushi? Can you see these two things? How we add these two things into our content type? Did you remember how we add these two text boxes, these two options? One for text box price, one for image. Do you remember how we add into our content type? Earlier we have created content type, so it is the, yeah, from structure, and whenever you go to structure, add new field, manage field, there is an option in content type. In our content type, go to content types and product manage field. So we can manage and we can add it, manage, edit, or we can edit also. Click on edit, then one second, product add, there is option, Manage fields, go to manage fields. We can move from these tabs also. I just want to put a space between the product and image. Just want to put the space. Just edit this. Product image. Okay. Now just save it. Save settings. So what we have done till now, we have added a custom content type. First we just added a basic content type, then we just add a extra fields, extra text box, extra one upload button into our content type, and we can edit also these extra fields. Okay, we can remove also these extra fields. We can manage previously created fields also. Okay, now go to contents. I just want to add a product into our website. Go to add contents and add product. Title, product. This is one kind of description. We can edit this field also. Okay, same from the same place we have added the product image. We have put the space. From that same place we can edit our product. Enterprise, okay, thousands. Browse image, you can browse image. Simple uploading, nothing else. Just click on upload. It will just check it is as per our requirement or not. Yeah, it is uploaded. Alternative text, if you want to add any alternative text. Okay, now provide a menu link. Yes, I just want to provide this particular product a menu, so it will just appear into the menu link. Demo product description, if you want to add just a product parent or any sub option. Okay, I just add to the product menu, so it is the menu as a child menu. Okay, comment setting, it is closed. By default closed? Why? Because we have closed that comment setting while we are creating our content type. Okay, URL path setting, if you want to use the URL alias, we will just discuss about the URL alias in the future sessions. Comment setting, author information. Okay, our this is author by means if we have more than one users, means we have 2 3 different admins, then we need this information, this kind of information. The publishing option, by default it is published. Promote to front page also. Okay, just save it. So we have added a content, a product using our custom content type. So it is added. One second. So it is promoting to homepage also. Okay, yeah, we have this edit option because we are logged in as an admin. That's why in this page also we have this option. In the about, one second, there should be a sub menu also for the same product, demo product. Maybe there is some issue on the JS. There should be an option in the sub menu also. Okay, maybe because of the theme. Yeah, it is coming up arrow. Why it's not appearing? Okay, we will just discuss about this. Means we have added to sub menus also. That's why there should be an option. Now go to home. So we have added, and it is coming on our demo sorry, demo product. This is our demo product. Okay, if you just click on this, then the page will lead to our product listing page. We have put the price and the image, and this is the description. The edit option, it is coming. Why? Because we are logged in. If you copy the URL and paste into any other browser, then PHP में ऐड इनका root or blank or blank हाँ हाँ yeah sorry just yeah it's just refreshing. Yeah, so there is no option of for edit. Nazar, can you see in Khushi? Yeah, so this is yes, this is the front end, and I don't know why it is the sub option is not because of that particular theme. Maybe there should be a sub menu. Okay, sorry. Which kind of spacing in this? Uh, sorry, I didn't get your question. Just ask me again. Yeah, we will just discuss about this also. How we manage our particular contents, arrange how we arrange. This is just a basic, you can say, structure. I just want to show you how we create a custom content. Okay. Kushi, is there any confusion how we create the custom content type and how we add any content into that content type? Is there any confusion? Confusion? Okay. Yeah, just try with yourself. Okay, let's continue. 1 second. Nazar, do you have 5-10 minutes? Yeah, we have to go to module. We have to. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Actually, I have created one example module. Okay, one example module. I just copied within this module. We have two files, info and dot module file. Okay, now um, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, actually, module. Yeah, we already discussed about the module. What is the module? Module is just one kind of extra functionality we have added. Yeah. How we? Yeah, I just created a simple, a basic example, kind of hello world example, nothing else. Means how we create. 1 second. How we can create any, how we can show any message on our website every time our page reload, or how we can just put extra input type of fields, and whenever anybody submit of that particular input type and fields, what should be happen. This kind of thing I have created by using module. Means we are adding extra functionality. So we have to understand the basic function first. That's why I created a simple module. What is the basic function used, how we return that functions. Okay, okay, I will just explain it. One second. File structure. Okay, this module folder is the our for root or by default modules. We have to put our modules into the sites and all and the modules. Okay, put just remove this, just paste our example. Okay, within this I just created two files. Let me open these two files with sublime option. Okay, let's open into the notebook plus is 1 second. 1 second नजर छोटू discharge चार्जर ले आ रहा भाई इसका चार्जर हेलो yeah नजर just display your files so we can understand what is the function and what is the okay .info file, just a simple file. What we are trying to do with this module, with what we are trying to do with this module, I'm just trying to put one functionality that uh, just show a text box into our web pages. What wherever we need means in the header menu there is a header menu. Within that menus I want a option of example form option. I want to add an example form option whenever anybody clicks, so there should be a display our text box, and if anybody enter in that text box, our validation should be performed there for that particular text box. So I have done till the validation right now, because you have to understand the basic function, the inbuilt function for that. Okay, so this is just a basic example. Okay, Nazar, of module. So let's see. Yeah, can you continue? What is the working of this? How we just do that, or is there any questions? Yeah, yeah. How we add, yeah, how we add a basic functionality into our main file, our main website. How we add? Right now we just add one text box and just give the validation to that text box, nothing else. Okay, this is kind of, yeah, this is just an example. Whenever we start the learning how we create the web form, we start from the basic text box or not, from the hello world. If we just started our session same as just an example. Okay, if I just use a big module, then there is hard to understand the coding flow and all the thing. That's why. Okay, so what I have done, I just put this file into my module section. Now where we have to go, Nazar, in the module there is a option module. Okay, Khushi, are you there? Hello Khushi, are you there? Yeah, yeah, I have to just go to module, then it will listed our module also. What is the name of our module? No. Oh shit. Hello. 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 Can you hear me, Nazar? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah, okay. So what I have done, I just put these two files up with our folder into our module section. So example, I just give the name example. So it is coming right on the bottom. We didn't give any heading, content heading for that module. That's why it is coming on others by default. I click on enable the save, the set. Time. This also. So in this module, one info file. Why? Did you understand why we use one info file? The name of module, the display, this particular name, the version, nothing else, just a version and the description. Okay. Form example. Dot in. We need these two files. Okay, for every module. Now let's go to example.module. So there is some functions, means these function will call automatically whenever our page is initialized. Yeah, you can say that whenever our page is initialized, there is some extra supporting function, hooks, extra supporting functionality in Drupal. What is the functionality? Hooks. H double O K. So this function, what we have used example, the same name, whatever is the name of our module, same name example underscore. If we use init function, one second, let me comment all this. I just commented the whole code. Okay, and just comment this code. So with this function example init, this function will execute every time whenever our page is initialized. Okay, this function, because we have, if our module is active, then only. Okay, this simple function, this only we are going to discuss about this simple function, nothing else. Okay, now one second, our module is initialized, but we have to some refresh. Go to configuration. After going to configuration, we get this window. Within this window, I have to just clear the cache. You can say the clear the cache of our site. Go to performance, because for better performance it will just use the cached file. Cached file means previously loaded file. It will use previously loaded file. It will not use our new file. That's why I have to clear all cache whenever we are using module or we are setting a major setting into our website. So just that remember, we have to clear the cache. I just clear the cache. Then on every page after clearing the cache, this hello again, this message will display on every page. Why? Because this Drupal underscore set underscore message, this is one of the inbuilt function of Drupal. So why we use this function? To just display a message. Why we use Nazar and Khushi? To just display a message on our site. Did you understand about this Drupal underscore set underscore message? So one second, it is refreshed or not? Yeah, cache cleared and hello again. So this hello message will be displayed on every page refresh. On every page refresh, wherever you want to go. If you go on the dashboard, there are also a hello again on every page. Okay, on every page. If you just remove this, if you now refresh, there is a hello again. Just take time. Let me refresh this. Let's close it. It is refreshed. Yeah. We get this hello again. Can you see, Nazar? Just an information. You can remove this. So how we get this? A simple message. Right now, what we have done in module section, just a function, nothing else, just a three line of code. If you understand these three line of code, then it will helpful for our then we can use the number of line or 100 line of code also. Just we have to know the logic, nothing else. We have to know the logic. First logic is we just create a function. So this function will execute every initialization of page, every initialization of page if our module is active. How we active our module? By just checking that particular module on the module page from the dashboard admin panel. Okay, if our module example dot module or our example module is active, then this example underscore init, this function will execute every time. The hooks functionality will come, will just support to execute this function every time. What is hook functionality? Functionality is kind of functionality. It will help to execute module function for our website, for our Drupal, whole Drupal framework. Okay, so every page refresh, this function will execute. Did you understand, Nazar? Why we use example? You have to use same name of your module. Okay, if you just take any other name here, so there would be no, one second, I have to clear the cache again. It's taking time. Just clear cache whenever you just made some changes or create a new function module, just clear cache. Okay, so it will be cleared whenever it is refreshed. This is the home page. So no hello again message will appear whenever of cache is cleared. Okay, because we need to we have to use the same name. Okay, Nazar? And what is this function, Khushi? Khushi, what is this function? This is one kind of inbuilt function in Drupal. Drupal set message. So this function will display whatever with the string here. It will display that string as it is on the page. Whatever with the page. What whenever this function execute. When this function execute, whenever any page refresh, and whenever any page initialized, any page reloaded, so this function will execute because of hooks, because we are using initialized function, init function of the same module. Okay, did you understand this function, 3 line of code, Khushi? Okay, okay, okay. Should I repeat? Yeah, I will just send you. Yeah, I already sent you the video of creating the module. Okay, same video, same topic video already sent. That's why I just send you, because if you just watch that video before the session, if you then you can understand more quickly about the modules. Okay, right now just keep in your mind, this function will execute every time whenever we refresh the page because of hooks. And this is one of, you can compare this function with the print underscore r function or echo function. The same function, print underscore r or echo, it will just display as it is, same string, nothing else. Okay, so this is this function, when this function execute whenever page is refreshed, because it is the init function. And what we have done in this function, when this function is execute, example menu, we should give a link of a menu. And whenever we clicked on that particular menu, there is a left hand side, there is a menu option in that menu. Okay, whenever we click the link on that link, then this function will execute. Okay, just the difference between this and this function we will just see in tomorrow's session, what is exactly these codes, and why we when we have to write these codes, what is the Drupal get form callback, why we use callback. Okay, access, this is for just a granting access, nothing else. If you use the user underscore access, then it will accessed for every user. Okay, this is our page argument, our function name. Whenever anybody just clicked on this, so this function will execute. Within this function we have created one our custom form, means one text box, type equals to text field, and one submit button. Okay, just see the video, the maybe the video also the same process, nothing else. Okay, we will discuss all this functionality tomorrow. Okay, Nazar? Kushi, I will just repeat it again. Okay. If you, Nazar, if you are not going getting late, then you can also continue. Okay, okay. So we will just see these all the code in tomorrow's session. Okay. Okay, Nazar, bye bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, Kushi. I'm just repeating.